on the unpredictable sea. Maritime operations often face daunting challenges. However, with technological advancement, a drone like this is transforming it all. Z-RTK KEEL Drone, equipped with a Z-RTK single-module dual-antenna system, 4-centimeter level positioning and orientation, achieves precise automatic return, capable of unwavering stability in strong sea winds. Extended endurance of over 60 minutes with a 5 kilograms payload ensures prolonged mission capability. It is equipped with an integrated land and underwater laser scanner, delivers real-time high-precision mapping across diverse terrains. The KEEL drone supports modular customization. It perfectly caters to the needs of inspection, scientific research, rescue, and delivery. Choose Z-RTK KEEL Drone, enabling diverse industries, advancing through innovation.